Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Today we have an update for HIMS and HERS, currently going for $23.62 at a $5.1 billion valuation. Today is November 7th, 2024. So they currently just released their quarter three earnings for 2024. We'll do a brief overview of the financials real quick, but I do want to go a little deeper on HIMS and HERS, talk about some of the network effects that are happening with this company and how they are achieving exponential growth. So let's go ahead and get started. Basic rundown, they're an online telehealth company. They sell weight loss drugs, regrowth hair pills, basically a bunch of stuff that makes you feel better, all online. Year to date, HIMS and HERS is up 145%. My first video that I ever published was in January 25th, 2024. Earlier this year, market cap was 1.88 billion and it was going for $8.88 a share. And so if you got in around that time, we're doing really well. Anyways, we're up 145% for the year. This company is not slowing down. I would definitely keep a hold on this company. Do not let it go yet. There's a lot of room for this company to grow. Let's go ahead and get down to the details. First things first, of course, is going to be our quarterly data, earnings per share, total revenue, profit margins, free cash flow and cash flow from operations, and lastly, net income. Starting with total revenue, I'm going to go ahead and highlight this last column because this is quarter three of 2024 that was recently just posted. 401 million in total revenue just for quarter three. Quarter three of 2023, they posted 226 million. That is a 77% increase year over year. Huge growth rates. You want to keep an eye on total revenue and earnings per share growth rates. Those are really important numbers in the short term, so you always want to keep an eye on those. So now we are sitting on 8 consecutive quarters of total revenue growth year over year, 45%, 51%, now 77% respectively of total revenue growth. These are some huge growth rates for this company, and the best companies might show earnings per share and total revenue growth of over 100% year over year. So now we're going to go to earnings per share. So they posted 35 cents earnings per share, comparing to negative 0.04 in quarter three of 2023. That is a 975% increase in earnings per share. That is insane growth rates. I really think just from looking at total revenue and earnings per share, there's going to be some huge movement in the stock price going forward. All right, moving on to profit margins. So why is it that the past 2 quarters, the profit margins have fallen? And they do explain that. And the reason why is because they did release a new product. This is their new GLP-1 weight loss drug. Their margins often fall when they start offering a new product. As the offering continues to scale and we are able to unlock efficiencies from the automation and verticalization, we expect to offset a portion of these gross margin headwinds in the future. Some other places we're going to see some huge improvements on their financial statements are the cash flows. And it's really important that a company produces cash flow because cash flow is everything. Money coming into a business is everything. So you always want to watch that. Free cash flow from operations, they posted 85.3 million compared to 25.2 million in quarter three of 2023. That is a 238% increase year over year in their cash flow. For the past 7 quarters, they've been posting positive cash flow. If you take a look at the past 3, 171, 219, and 238% year over year. And that is also the same with free cash flow per share. The latest free cash flow per share that was posted, 0.37 free cash flow per share versus 0.09 in 2023. That is a 311% increase in the improvement of their cash flow. So you can't deny the numbers. The operations are getting way better and they are producing a lot of cash. Last but not least, we have net income. Quarter three of 2024, they posted 75.6 million in net income. That is the biggest net income that they have posted as a public company. Quarter three last year, they posted negative 7.6 million. That is a 1,094% increase in net income year over year. Ladies and gentlemen, this company is going to skyrocket. I'm going to put this on the record. I really think this company has a lot of growth ahead. We should see some movement in the stock prices going forward. The stock is at an all-time high right now. If you're one of those buying around 2023, 2022, you had some vision. Good job. I don't know if you should wait for a pullback. I think you missed a pullback right here back in August when they were getting attacked by other pharmaceutical companies. Basically, their stock crashed for a little bit, but that was a good pullback to be able to get in. I don't think you'll see these levels for a long time. Okay, so real quick, I just wanted to talk about one of the new technology called MedMatch. So what is MedMatch? Basically, it's HIMS and HERS is new. service to give providers on the platform a more intelligent and informed way to deliver personalized care to their patients. So they're going to use AI and machine learning to be able to produce better products. They're going to be able to use this AI, take all the data they get from the customers, be able to produce better products for the platform. So by leveraging millions of anonymized data points from millions of customers, MedMatch models can identify treatments in real time that may be best suited for patients' unique needs. So let's think about that real quick. From MedMatch, HIMS is going to be able to create their own AI moat. This is where they could sort of create network effects in the company itself. So think of Facebook, think of Tesla, how they're creating a network effect for their cars and all the data that they collect from their cars. This is pretty much what HIMS and Hers is trying to do. The more HIMS and Hers scales, the more customers that they can acquire, more data they could sort of feed into this AI. And then with that AI, they're going to use machine learning to sort of create this proprietary data graph. And then from there, they could increase their operational efficiency.
At HIMS and Hers, we're on a mission to help the world feel great through the power of better health. One of the most exciting innovations we're proud to announce today is MedMatch. MedMatch is a proprietary service that helps leverage the collective knowledge of hundreds of providers to recommend treatments that are most likely to be successful for our customers. MedMatch works by deploying artificial intelligence and machine learning against the unparalleled dataset at the core of the HIMS and Hers platform.
So to sum it up, the more customers that HIMS and Hers can acquire onto the platform means more data that they can acquire from those customers. And then with that data, they're going to use their AI and machine learning, increase operational efficiencies, and then from there, they are able to produce new personalized products specifically for those customers. And it's sort of going to create this flywheel effect for the company itself. A constantly improving product drives pricing power and market share. Better products means even more customers, and more customers on the platform means even more proprietary data that they could use to create even more better products. So I think it's going to start this flywheel for HIMS and Hers. This company has a lot of room to grow. At $24 at a $5.1 billion valuation, yes, you're pretty much buying it at the all-time high, but this is such a good company. They are growing quick. Total revenue, earnings per share growing year over year. They're posting some huge numbers, huge improvements in their cash flows. They are cash flow positive. They are buying back shares. They have no long-term debt. They are also going to start doing some capital expenditures next year to sort of expand the platform even more. But yeah, this company is exciting, guys. I would definitely keep an eye on this. I think this company has a lot of room to grow. But thanks for watching this video, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.